How to combine two videos together on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the CapCut application on your phone. On this page, tap on New Project. Then go to the Videos section from the top. You can view all your videos over here. Select the videos you want to use from here and then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. You can now edit these videos using the edit options below. Over here, tap on the icon in between the two videos as shown. You can view all the available effects over here. Choose the effect that you like. For example, black fade in the trending section. And then, tap on the tick icon. You have now created a smooth transition between the two videos. Once you're done, tap on Export at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily combine two videos together on iPhone.